How to add a blog to your Shopify store. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Shopify on your browser. After you're in Shopify, make sure you're logged into your account. Then on the left side, click on Content. After you've clicked on Content on the left side, you'll find all these options pop up. Click on Blog Posts. After you've clicked on Blog Post, click on Create Blog Post. After you've clicked on Create Blog Post, here you will need to add the title at the top, content, and on the right side you'll find visibility. You can keep it hidden or visible, add image for your blog post, and other information and post it. And this is how to add a blog to your Shopify store. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.